Hey, so here is a marketing audit and strategy for the remodeling business, couture design and renovations. So here's your site. Going to walk through a few things that'll help you stand out more, get more organic traffic, leads, calls, sales, and incremental growth and revenue. So take a look at the website. It's brand new. It's a basic design for now. I think this is WordPress, but let's double check. Obviously, it's just now indexing, so there's not much SEO volume to base this off of. Let me see what the website was built with. Looks like either Squarespace or WordPress. Let's see. So this is WordPress with Yoast, Gravity Forms. Okay, so it's just a basic WordPress theme, I believe. Yep. So let's take a look under the hood here. So you want to make sure it's set up with GA4, so Google Analytics, index with Google Search Console on the sitemap, and then has all the on-page and technical SEO. So you want to do the page speed score with Google Page Speed Insights. Make sure the website is fast and mobile friendly. So check it on mobile and desktop here. While that's loading, we're going to take a look at the Google profile. I believe this is the right one. Chester County, couture design and renovations. Cool, that's great. You have an address. That's very helpful. It's hard to get if you're a service area business. So if you can have a commercial address and get approved on Google's profile. Then from here, you just need to add a description, services with keywords, more photos, more reviews, respond to the reviews, detailed keyword-rich description, and then add posts on a weekly basis. This is very important, very easy, very profitable, free to use. The brand is getting recognized. So these are where you'll see your citations and backlinks come up. So like your references online. So you've got the website, the Google profile, Instagram. This isn't you. So now I just need to put together other third-party citations directories. There's a list. So like I like to reference this list here. So if you go to Omnicore's website, sorry, my eye's been bugging me all day. Shows you 150 of the top local SEO citations for local service providers. So you've got like Bing and Yelp and LinkedIn, Apple Maps, Foursquare, MapQuest, OpenTable, True Local, Angie's List, Trust Advisor, City Search, White Pages. Also make sure to create all the relevant social profile bookmarks. So that's like your social accounts, YouTube, X, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook page, Pinterest, Reddit, Quora, et cetera, et cetera. So then you actually start being recognized and indexed across the search engines, but also on AI like ChatGPT or Gemini. The citations specifically will help this rank higher. You need to make sure to have the same name, address, phone number listed across all those third-party directories. From there, backlinks will be really helpful. So high authority, relevant sites linking back to your site. So maybe get a write-up in a local newspaper, local online article, magazine, blog network, pay for some local press. That's a long-term effort. And then let's look for home remodeling. Oh my gosh, I can't. Remodeling, Chester County. So typically you'll have, let's put home remodeling companies. Typically you'll have like the Google local service ads at the top where you pay per lead. Let's do kitchen remodeling, Philadelphia. Typically you'll have the Google guaranteeds and then the sponsored pay-per-click ads, then the local NAP profiles, and then the organic results. So if we take a look at the website, let's go to here. Just want to make sure the website's set up for all the on-page SEO. So you're missing the meta description. That's an easy thing that should be done already. You need to have a proper head title, description, canonical tag, content type, sitemap, header tags, internal linking like this, and then all your images need tagged and compressed with proper keyword citation tags. All these images are way too big, which is going to hurt the load speed, page speed time, which is going to hurt your SEO. So if you go to Page Speed Insights, it's a 55 on mobile because of all those heavy images. Some of the scores are really good here, but the page speed, mobile rendering score is not great. If you look at desktop, similar thing. So just tag and compress those images. Any website needs to focus on that. And then you need to have all your relevant service pages. So if you go to services, make sure the website's quick, fast, easy to use, mobile friendly. I don't love this color button right here, and there should be a phone number. So it should be start your project or call, this phone number. Add some social proof here, get some reviews, add them. Have some more carousel work, have some video, make it very visual given this type of business. Portfolio, about, process, services. Let's look at services. Residential, renovation. Okay. All these pages will need optimized for on-page SEO, which if we look here again, missing description, bad head title. Need to improve the header tags. These are decent, but let's go down here. Image tagging and compression. So basically every page is going to have those same issues. So kitchen renovations needs to have its own page, which it does. Needs some, a little bit more media, a little bit more text for HTML, SEO indexing, title, description again, header tags, image tagging, and compression. So same issues across the board. Definitely focus heavily on the Google profile. Getting a bunch of reviews. It's awesome. You got this approved already. Citations, backlinks, directories, on-page SEO, mobile page speed and compression, all the on-page SEO efforts, etc. Portfolio is going to be very important. And then social media, since it's very visual, is going to be very important. So I would also recommend in the beginning, if you want some more, faster leads and client acquisition, Google guaranteed. You're going to need your insurance, license, background check, connect the Google profile, set a budget, add photos, respond to the leads, etc. I have a bunch of YouTube videos about that. A lot of portfolio work here. It's off to a good start. It'd be nice to have some video on this site too, which you could have. You could post it on YouTube and then host it through YouTube and have it on the website. You make sure to check out all these things. It's a bit of a long form. That's pretty cool. It's a little different. About. So we got the About Us page. Just like I said, all these pages need optimized for one-page SEO. The authority of the site's going to take forever to build up just because you got to buy backlinks, earn backlinks, get media, get citations, and then the authority of the site's also very young, so it's going to take a while to build up. Also be building blogs, be posting these, sharing these out on social media, and an email newsletter would be good. If we go to social media, we just have Instagram here. So heavy emphasis. Instagram is very visual, so it's good, but also, use Facebook, use TikTok, use Pinterest. We actually have some clients doing really well on Pinterest. So be active here, be proactive on social medias. Those are all my suggestions. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Got a bunch of other videos that help with like local service businesses, SEO, Google Ads, etc. So thanks, and see you. Talk soon.